Hi guys, today we are going to fix the draining issue in the Fisher and Paykel top loader washing machine. To do that you need to take the top cover out and then those two plastic bit from the screws hole. So now we are going to unscrew for the both right hand side and the left hand side. So please don't try to take the screws out fully, it will be little harder. So the easiest way is to just unscrew fully, and when you take the top cover of the washing machine you can take the screws by pushing back from the bottom, so like I did in the video. So it will be always easier if you have two people while you do this task. So for me one is okay. So now we are going to take the drum out. To take the drum out we need to take this plastic bit out, and as you can see in the video I am taking out by unclipping all the clips around the drum side. So after this we are going to unscrew the screws from there. We can do it by hand, so just unscrew it by holding the drum with other hand, and then the next thing is we have to take the drum out. So the drum can come easily, so I'm just draining the water out by holding the drum a little bit. You can see the gongs on the drum, so this can be a problem while you are washing the clothes. Those gongs can come to your clothes, so you need to clean that. Now we are taking out the water, and as you can see the clothes here, this is the problem for not draining because it is stuck into the drain pump for the washing machine of this customer. So we took this piece of clothes out from the drain pump, and then also we are going to check if there is any foreign objects near the drain pumps. To do that we just need to take the water out fully, and then you can unscrew that screw so that you can check if there are any coins or small things that are in the foreign objects that are in the drain pump, which can be a problem in futures. But for this customer there was nothing. We could check it by putting the hands on the hole, so we can see the impeller, we can feel the impeller. Now we are putting back the screw. So now we can put the drum back in. So before that you can always clean the drum, because these gongs can be really a trouble for some people, because the gongs can, if there is a more build of the gongs in the drum, it can come to your clothes while washing, so you will be not able to know where the gongs was coming from. So now to put the drum is so easier. So you can just put it with a perfect alignment and make sure it has been fully gone down by pushing like 3 or 4 more times, and then you can put this plastic bit as you had put the drum. And then now we are going to put the screw back. So this screw need to be really tightened, so to do that you need to hold the drum a little bit and then make sure it has been tightened enough. So now I'm holding the drum and then making sure if the screw has been really tight enough. So now the next thing is we just put the plastic as shown in the video, just by pushing on the clips. So before pushing on the clips it has to be fully aligned. So now we can put the top cover back into the position and put those little screws on the washing machine and the white bit. So I was just checking here if it is aligned perfectly or not before putting up the screw, otherwise we will be pushing hard so that would break the plastic bits of the washing machine. So please make sure those the top cover has been aligned completely and perfectly. So this is all for today, guys. So this video can be useful for taking the this video is useful for the people who has draining problem with their Fisher and Paykel top loader washing machine, and also for those who has problem with the gongs coming onto their clothes from nowhere. After putting all those screws back, you can always test it with the small water inside, because if you did not test it and after if you have the load on the washing machine, then you will have much trouble, because you have to take all the water out to do the same process again. So what we are doing here is testing by putting a small amount of water inside the machine. So here we keep the water inside the machine, and then we will do the draining by putting the washing machine cycle into the rinse, so that it will drain the water first, and we can check if the water is draining or not. So thank you for watching our video, and hopefully you will like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.